everyone is creating short form content, but sometimes you want to create a post that is more than 90 seconds long. Hi, and welcome back to day 79 of 100 social media tips. So let's get right into the video and let me teach you how you can post a video on Instagram that is over 90 seconds long. There are two ways that you can create a reel on Instagram. You can go into the camera function and record directly here, and you can see that the length options are 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds, which means that they only accept reels that are 90 seconds long. So if you want to use this hack where you create content over 90 seconds, you have to upload a video. You can't record directly onto Instagram. And we can see at the bottom, we'll see post, story, reel, and live. We want to scroll into the post function, and then we select our video. So I'll select this one here and then click next. If you've uploaded a video as a post, you would have seen this function before, but if you're new, you will see this pop up that says video posts are now shared as reels, meaning that any video you post will always be shown as a reels or be shown in the reels tab. It's not just a video post. Then we go okay and click next. You are limited in what editing functions you have within your video, but if I scroll through, it doesn't tell me the time, but I know that this is where the clip ends, and that is my full clip. We just click next, we add our caption accordingly, add your hashtags, and then just click share. It'll take a minute for it to process, but now on my profile it is uploaded, and I can see my post here. It is shown as more than 90 seconds, and it's at a 2 minutes and 3 second length instead of that 90 seconds. If I go into the Reels tab as well, I can see that that video is there. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.